Hi, y'all. We're going to talk about Preterite. This is Preterite for day 3. We're going to throw out 4 easy irregulars for you to learn and start working on, and then talk about a class of irregular verbs called car, gar, zar verbs. All right, so first of all, we have our easy irregulars, ir and ser. Ir to go, ser to be. These have the exact same forms. All right? Yo fui, tú fuiste, él, ella, usted fue, nosotros fuimos, ellos, ustedes fueron. Yeah, those are the same forms, and then you will use context clues to determine whether or not it is to go or to be. So for example, if I said yo fui a la tienda, right, it wouldn't be I was the store, right? So I went to the store. Yo fui a la tienda. So context will tell you whether or not it's to go or to be. 2 other ones that you'll see here in your notes: dar, to give, ver, to see. These are irregular because they don't have accent marks. Okay, you'll notice that and dar is going to use the ER-IR endings, right? Di, diste, dio, dimos, dieron. Ver, vi, viste, vio, vimos, vieron. So, dar is irregular because we flip over and use the IR endings, IR-ER endings, and then ver is irregular because we don't have accent marks. But the endings are the same as our normal ER-IR verbs. All right. Next on your note sheet, okay, so these are our car, gar, zar verbs. And when we conjugate these in the preterite, we're going to change a couple letters in the yo form only with the yo form. Okay, so for example, el verbo buscar, okay, buscar, right? It's the hard C sound. So what happens if we don't change this? If it's this, right? Now that becomes yo busé. Right? So we're going to change our C's to QU. So now we get busqué, buscaste, excuse me. Yo busqué, tú buscaste, él y usted buscó, nosotros buscamos, ellos ustedes buscaron. So you notice that it keeps the same sound all the way through because of what we changed in the yo form. Okay? So C is going to change to QU. G is going to change to GU. So, yo llegué, tú llegaste, él llegó, nosotros llegamos, ellos llegaron. And then Z is going to change to C. Empecé, empezaste, empezó, empezamos, empezaron. Okay? So our car, gar, zar verbs, C to QU, G to GU, Z to C, and in the yo form only. Right, you notice we didn't do it here in the tú form. We didn't do it in the él y usted form, the nosotros or ellos ustedes form. So it's only in the first person singular that we have to make our changes. So some examples of some car, gar, zar verbs, right? Sacar, to take out. Jugar, we'll see that one a lot. To play a sport. Tocar, to play an instrument. So when you see, so just get to looking for these verbs, right? So when you see a car, gar, zar verb, right, that should click something off in your head. You should be like, all right, when we get to the present tense, or when we get to the yo form of the preterite, I need to make sure we get this right. So C to QU, G to GU, Z to C. All right. All right, so in Google Classroom, there should be some Savasa exercises to go over this. And then, yeah, I hope you had a great day. If you have any questions, shoot me a message in Google Voice or Remind. and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.